Well, they say behind every business is a good story, and Nash Family Farms has a legacy worth sharing.
It's so true. Plus, it's National Cheese Lovers Day. These guys have been around for nearly a century, 100 years. We are here with Steve Nash as we celebrate some products made right from their farm in Chapel Hill. Good to see you.
Yes, thank you for having me.
So glad you're here because this looks delicious. We're gonna dive right in. Tell us what you brought and the love that goes into everything that you create.
Okay. So we have here our yellow cheddar and our white cheddar, and both of these are aged over 3 years. And there's a lot that goes into this. We have our own dairy, and that milk comes from our own dairy. And these cheeses are extra sharp. And so the flavors are changing all the time as they age, as is. You'll notice it's crumbly a little bit, and that's part of being sharper. The more it's aged, the more it is. So this goes really good with grapes and crackers, and also anything that's kind of sweet. It really
little
goes.
Wine would be nice.
Delicious.
Some red wine is great,
really
fantastic
is.
with it.
So good. I want to know more about your family story, because your kids are the 4th generation
Yes.
of your family farm. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, I'm really blessed to have 2 great kids, and they're quite different. My son runs the creamery, which you'll see the ice cream over there, and that's his business. We also do grilled cheese sandwiches out of that. But my daughter does the coffee. That's our newest venture. And so we have a 1,200 cow dairy. We've been in business. This is our 97th year. And we make the milk that goes into this, and we also employ a lot of people out there too, a lot of great people. Unfortunately, they're out working while I'm here in the studio today in 10-degree weather, but
You'll be
the
back
way it
soon.
works. I will be, yes.
Well, it must be really cool. I mean, for us just to see it, but you to see your family members be a part of this, starting with your grandfather and now with your children. 3 businesses. What are you most proud of?
Most proud that we're all together as a family, and that my kids are open to owning their own business. And so that's what I wanted for them, is to be independent. And they are. As I said, my daughter's very creative. The Neon Cattle Coffee Company, the little cow that's on there, I think is pretty clever. And my son's very good at business. But having my kids involved and being able to work with them is really a cool thing to do.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You guys have a lot going on out there at the farm. You've got the creamery, the new coffee shop, as we mentioned. You also do tractor rides. You have a corn maze. Fill us in on all these activities you will offer.
So in September and October, we have a corn maze, and it's a special corn maze. We actually have a drone and come out and oversee it, and there's a machine that goes through and mows down the corn when it's small. And this past year, we had the creamery logo out on the 18-acre corn maze. There was 3 different corn mazes in there, and it was a lot of fun. We had several thousand people come out. Wow. And so that's a big part of it. And then we also the tractor rides.
Yes.
Okay. So the tractor, our agritourism is a big part of it. We have over 5,000 people a year that come through that. A lot of them are kids from the local schools. We start at the creamery. We go, it's a 1-hour tour. We go over to the milk barn. We have a nice viewing room up above the cows being milked. We milk 48 cows at a time.
Wow.
And they can see the cow come right by the window. And a lot of times they'll look up at them wanting to know, why are you here? This is our domain. And from there we go, after a lot of education about what the cows are. They're 1,600-pound animals. And we go down and look at the babies. And our babies, we have some Jerseys and Holsteins. The Jerseys are the little crimson-colored calves, and then our Holsteins are black and white. They are about 80 pounds when they're born, and they're happy to see people. They think that every finger has milk in it. So if you put a finger out, they're going to be right there on it to suck on the finger, and the kids love that.
You probably don't know, but Laura and I are cow milking champions.
Yes, we are.
I read that, and I heard it's 2-time cow milking champions.
We had to mention it. But you know what's so cool? I love that you get to watch the process of how you create this cheese, because it's easy to just go to the grocery store, pick up a, block of cheese. Talk about the health benefits too when you get it from your farm.
So what's unique about ours is a lot of cheese companies will standardize the milk and take some of the cream off. Our milk is exactly as it comes out of the cow, and it goes into the cheese vat. We pasteurize it at low heats, and then we package it for aging. But that's very unique. So some of our milk will have almost 1 point higher cream in it than the other. Cream is where the flavor is. Okay, so it adds more flavor to it, and we have a real nice little facility. It's a tiny little place, but it makes good cheese.
Really good cheese.
Really good.
We
You can taste that
can
milk.
attest. Steve, thank you so much.
Well, thank you for having me.
Appreciate you. Everyone, take a tour of the farm, eat some cheese, and check out their family legacy. Visit NashFamilyCreamery.com for more information.